Oh, sorry. Nearly ran you over. I'm not going that way, I'm going down.
Okay.
Thank you. Smack that good and proper, so I didn't get any of that from the terminal. Oh, I put it the other way.
Going down? Or?
No, I'm going down, yeah.
Okay, yeah. It was
I'm going down.
Before, that's why.
Yeah. Should be going out that way.
Yeah. This time it's going down.
It's going down?
Nice.
Well, it would do.
Press the door close button, maybe.
Level 0, bus, taxi, car rental service.
No. It's not me, I'm one more down. -1. Oh, you want to get off? I'll have to go out
Maybe
and come
I'll
back
do
in. Okay, no problem. Good job, I'm a good driver.
Level -1, London
Hooray!
to Heathrow Express.
There we go, thank you. Where are we going this way? Excess baggage. And they got to be lucky. Got to having a giraffe. See if I can find my ticket. If I look stupid enough, maybe somebody will come over.
I think we can go through here.
It's X, a red X.
Bus 9 and Heathrow Express trains from this station depart for Terminal 4, Terminal 5 and London Paddington. Please check the navigator place for your correct train.
Paddington. Yeah.
You need assistance over there.
Yeah. Well, it should be waiting, but I doubt it very much. You want to see the ticket?
You've got a few on your way going to Paddington and mobility wheelchair. And they're going to Paddington. What train are you taking? Express or Elizabeth?
Yeah, Express.
Express.
Yeah.
They're taking the express train. And they will move.
Lift. Lift. Keep going.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. See it, say it, sorted.
Hello.
Just wait here, so
Yeah. Yeah. No, it's still crowded.
This is not the Heathrow Express.
You take the bag for me.
Platform for the next train.
Smoking or vaping is not permitted in the station or on any train.
Once again, if you're traveling with the Heathrow Express, please remain on this platform for the next train. This is not the Heathrow Express. This is the Heathrow line service calling at all stations to Avenue. For terminal 4 and 5, please cross over to platform 1. Service departing, stand clear please, stand clear. 6, 7 and 8.
Yeah.
Customers with luggage are advised to use the lifts.
Next approach train on this platform is the Heathrow Express to London Paddington, calling at London Paddington only. If you're traveling with Elizabeth Line service, please remain on this platform for the second train. This is the Heathrow Express to London Paddington, calling at London Paddington only. If you're traveling with Elizabeth Line service, please remain on this platform for the next train. Please allow the passengers of the train first before you boarding and mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. Welcome to Heathrow Central, calling at Terminal 2 and 3.
Right.
Customers traveling to Heathrow Terminal 4, please cross over to platform number 1. If you're traveling with Elizabeth Line service, please remain on this platform for the next train. This is the Heathrow Express to London Paddington, calling at London Paddington only. Again, if you're traveling with Elizabeth Line, please remain on this platform. This is the Heathrow Express to London Paddington, calling at London Paddington only.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes, and this is all you, buddy.
That's mine. Yeah. Thank you. What's that? Fell off.
You want to go this side or you
I'll sit here. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna
Thank
put
you.
this over here.
Thank you very much.
I'm going to make a call for Paddington.
Yeah.
To get another round.
Yeah. Lovely.
Okay.
This is the Heathrow Express train to London Paddington.
Why is that still on?
This is London Paddington. This is our final stop. All change, please. To ensure your safety, please pay attention when exiting the train and mind the gap between the train and the platform. Please remember to take all personal belongings with you when you leave the train. All change, please. This is London Paddington.
I need to go back to the reception. You're fine right now, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, cheers. You're going to be fine. Thank you so much. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Yeah, please, can you do that one? That's lovely, thank you. Morning. Hello. Mr. Wright, I have booked a while back.
Mr. Andrew Wright.
That's the one.
I do have it, sir. The train leaves at 10:35?
10:35, yeah.
All right, no problem. You could wait here if you wish to, sir. If you wish to go around and come back, you could do that.
I've been round, I've come back.
Okay. Wait
So I'm
here,
gonna-
sir. Once the train comes,
yeah.
we'll put you on.
Yeah, I'll hang around here.
No
I'm going to go to the toilet or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. I'll bring it over here and I'll just, yeah, I'll park up somewhere and sit on the chair over there. Thank you. Cheers.
One hour later. Yeah.
You're fine to follow the buggies, right?
Yeah.
Take a seat, please. Join on platform 9.
None, okay.
Listar, Bodmin Parkway, Park, St. Austell, Truro, Redbridge, Hambourne, St. Earth and Penzance. This train is full of 9 coaches. Will passengers intending to travel on this service
This day, passenger announcement. Due to earth repairs to a bridge in the Alton area, there are no direct services to Alton passing Paddington today. As a result of this, railroad is in operation between Heathrow and Oxford. To help with the journey, ticket acceptance is in place. Passengers travel by rail railroad.
Okay, thank you.
Tickets will be accepted by the railroad later in bus services between Paddington and London. Thank you.
Okay. So,
I'll leave it.
yeah, put it behind us, alright, thank you. That's fine.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
And travelling to Westbury, yeah?
Westbury, yeah.
We'll
You let them know.
Westbury.
Yeah. Thank you. Cheers. Ah, there we go, first class. An hour and 20 minutes. Ooh. Saved, sorted.
Someone's going to be here.
Yeah, I'm sure they will be.
For you. They're on it.
They're on it. Well,
yeah.
there you go. See, that's
Well,
good.
even if they did, we'd get you off anyway.
Yeah, I know you would. Done a good job today. Every day's a good job.
We're going to isolate that door, we're going to isolate this door now. Yeah.
Yeah, isolate. Isolate. Daleks are in the house.
Right, that's it.
There he is, there's the man with the ramp. The man with the ramp. Would you mind just moving that out of the way for me?
Of course, yeah.
Thank you. When they got finished.
It's alright, once you get it in. There we go.
You're in. Ready for you.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
There you go.
That's great.
It's a hand to your suitcase.
My sister's here now.
Oh, perfect. No worries.
Thank you for
Okay.
your help.
Yes, thank you.
All right.
You all right?
What platform is it?
One.
Oh. Thanks, guys.
Thank
Cheers.
you.
Platform 1. I didn't think they normally did that.
One, yeah. Yeah, it's one, yeah.
I was three minutes late.
The thing is, I parked up and I was